back to Storytellers, and we're back with a new weekend and a new destination.
Yes, so for today we have identified a place. In a couple of weeks we were going through some temple. So for today we are going to keep it a little light, and the place is Manchanable Dam, that around 54 kilometer away from our home, but side to another side we have to travel. So Kushu, are you ready?
Yes.
Hello everyone, we are yet again going to a new place.
Please, if you would like to know where you can spend your weekends with such small kids and elders who are there at your home, please follow our channel. We have different places, different videos.
And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Yes, hit the bell button so that you keep on getting the notifications. You don't miss any place.
Okay, let's go guys.
Yay!
Yay!
Mysore Road, go straight, cross Kengeri, take a right and then go 20 kilometers to reach there.
हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग आज जा रहे हैं मंचनेबल डैम। मेरे घर से 54 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस पे है। को मैसूर रोड के तरफ जाना है। मोर देन 2 आवर्स लगेगा क्योंकि वी हैव टू क्रॉस द एंटायर सिटी, इज द सिटी ट्रैफिक। तो शायद सनसेट तक हम लोग वहाँ पे पहुँच जाएंगे क्योंकि
Hello, what? Dam entry? एंट्री नहीं है इधर से। हाँ, एक सिर्फ देखेगा।
चलो देखे नहीं तो थैंक यू। So far, there were a lot of traffic on the road, and we reached here around 5:40, and we came to know that there is no entry nowadays in Manchanable Dam. So
Park our car here, somewhere down the road. Nice hill over there, nice view. মেঘগড় যাচ্ছে।
Please fasten your seat belt.
You can see the pond from here also.
They were not allowing us to come inside, but we just negotiated a little bit. We just talked to them. They said, okay, you can go, but come back soon because it's already evening. Don't get into the water. The water looks really deep.
আমার ফটোটা তুলো বেশি পেছনে যেও না তুমি যদি ধুম করে যাও না তাহলে মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে এদিকে দাও
The place is awesome, but coming here it is really good, really nice experience actually. If you think about it, really peaceful, full of greenery, lush greenery and lot of water. So nice. I guess people who like cycling or coming around in their bikes, it is a very perfect place to come for a biking trip. Even small family getaway, it's pretty decent. So yeah, I guess we were actually thinking that this place won't be that great and all that, but I don't know how much of it is coming we can capture it on the camera, but the feeling that we are getting coming here is really amazing.
Mama, what editing to key?
I don't know.
See, nice.
Kusu, don't go nearby. Please, I am getting scared.
The hill that you see in the horizon is Shravandurga, one of the largest monolithic rock in all over Asia. This dam is built upon Akravati river, a river which originates from Nandi Hills. People also come for kayaking here.
We had to come little early.
So the Google Maps shows us a place. If you go there, I don't know, when you come around when the gate is open, you can come out that way, or there is another way around. As soon as you come down here, you see the view of this wonderful water body, and if you move a little bit ahead only, you could see a gate which so you can go inside also. If you talk to those people, they won't allow you initially, but then if you talk to them, possibly if you convince them enough, they might agree to get you.
You can also visit Dodda Alada Mara, a set of banyan trees, and also Shravandurga.
Actually, when we were coming through all the way, so I was not feeling very well because the whole busy road from Bangalore. But immediately we took a right from the main road and we came inside. The entire road is your view, our mood got changed. It's completely green, both sides. It's jungles, and the roads are sometimes it's going down, sometimes it's coming up. It was like a journey, a snake-like journey, and we thoroughly enjoyed. Only thing is that we got stuck in the traffic and we became late over here.
In front of the
It's not recommended to go for a swim in this water body because many people have lost their lives, and you should not be venturing and go for swimming here.
তোমরা করো, আরে তোমরা ওইটাই করো না। Okay, let's go. It's time to go. We could not spend much time here, but it was good to see. Okay, we'll now go back. We'll get dark. Hello everyone, we are back. The 2 hours drive towards the dam, and then it was another 2 hours drive back. It is a really highly recommended place to go. Take your time, plan it properly. So if you want to go, and if you are towards Mysore Road, probably it will just be a half a day trip. But if you are on the other side of Bangalore, then probably you should plan it like a day trip or something and start early probably.
Please carry your food and water, because for a long stretch, almost like 18 kilometer, there is nothing available. So better to carry your food and water, and it's a very good place for picnic probably. We are every weekend we are posting some videos where you can travel with your family from Bangalore. So just subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you get the videos instantly. Anything, Kush? You are awake? You want to tell anything?
No, Kush is fast asleep.
Okay, then for now, bye from us. Thanks for watching Storyteller.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.